Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to add authentication using Bootstrap framework. So let's see with the example. So let me go here and you can see that I already downloaded Laravel Fresh application. Okay. And now if I go here, by default Laravel not provided like Bootstrap setup, but Laravel already provided one composer package to install Laravel UI, and using the UI you can install the Bootstrap with the authentication scaffold. So let me go and simply install Laravel UI. So let me go here and let me remove this one. Okay, and simply I need to just install Laravel UI package. So simply Laravel slash UI and hit enter. It will download a Laravel UI package. So let's wait a moment. Okay, now it's download. Let me clear it. Okay, and now if I go here, you can see that they already provide the command for install the Bootstrap auth scaffold. So let me run that command to set up it. Okay, php artisan and UI and using the Bootstrap. So I will say Bootstrap and I will say auth because that I also need login, registration and forgot password page. So hit enter and it will ask you, do you want to replace the controller file? So yes, and hit enter. It will set up the Bootstrap auth scaffold. And now we need to install npm dependency. So let me run npm install and hit enter. It will download npm dependency. So let's wait a moment to download that one. Okay, yes, now it's downloaded. Let me run build that css and js file. So npm run build, I will simply call and hit enter, and this is just warning about the font weight. So yeah, so now it's built it, and let me clear it and simply run the project php artisan serve, hit enter. Okay, now if I go here and hit refresh, you can see that there is a login and registration page. Now if I click on registration, you can see that it's simple, like with the name, email, password and confirm password form with the registration and using the Bootstrap layout. Okay, so now let me go into the folder. So if I go to the routes, they already added auth routes and there is a home route. Okay, so now let me go what does in this routes. Okay, so let me go and simply clear it and let me see what is the route list. Okay, so route colon list and hit enter. You can see that login, password and reset password, confirm password, registration and registration post. So all the routes they created using this auth function. Okay, so then after if I go here into the controller, then you can see that there is a home controller, and also if I go here you can see that confirm password controller that manage all the things from here. Same forgot password, login, registration controller and reset password and verification. So you can easily understand based on the name of the controller file. Now if I go here into the resource views, you can see that they created a welcome page, sorry, home page, and then also they set up the layouts. You can see that using the white. So you can see that it all the class they used of Bootstrap css framework. Now if I go here, you can see login, register, verify and all the things you can see that. Okay, now if I go here and let me register one user. So let me run again the application php artisan sir. Okay, and now if I refresh it, okay, it's a registration page. I will create one user test@gmail.com and simply add the password. Okay, and I will add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and click on registration. You can see that it's simple registration over here, and if I click over here, simply log out. So it will provide a basic setup of the layouts and login, register and the forgot password page. Simply I can log out it here and click on the login. You can see that there is a forgot password page as well, so you can enter your email and send a reset password link as well in email. Now if I go here and let me log in using the test and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and click on login, you can see that I can log in it properly. So you can see that how simple Laravel UI provided Bootstrap for the starting. Then you can add your themes and all the things. So I hope guys you understand how to set up authentication with Bootstrap. If you like my video, then please subscribe us. Thank you so much for watching.